The 20th example, and what is said here, a batsman deflects ball by an angle of 45 degree without changing its initial speed, which is equal to 54 meter per second. What is the impulse imparted by the ball? Okay, so no problem. So here it is deflected by 45 degree. Let us suppose the ball is coming in this direction, and this is the surface of the bat. So as the ball is having in this direction, which is 54 km per hour, so first I will convert 54 km per hour into meter per second by multiplying with 5 by 18. So that comes out to be 15 meter per second, because 18 threes are 54. Okay, so 15 meter per second. So ball is coming with 15 meter per second. It is getting deflected by 45 degree. It means this is the direction of its motion, and after hitting by the batsman, it gets deflected by an angle 45 degree from its original path. Okay, so after hitting from the bat, it gets deflected, and they said the deflecting angle is 45 degree, because from this direction to this direction it is being deflected. Okay, so if that is 45 degree, then this angle will be 180 minus 45, we can say. Okay, and so 180 minus 45, that angle comes out to be 135 degree, and we need to find the impulse imparted. Okay, so in that case I will just go by resolution. So if I resolve them, so this angle is half of this thing, 135. Okay, so this angle would be theta. So the initial momentum, if you see carefully, because impulse is nothing but final momentum minus initial momentum. So impulse is nothing but momentum final minus momentum initial, or it is m into velocity final minus velocity initial. And if you resolve them into two parts, these two, so this angle is theta, let us suppose, which is half of 135. Okay, so that comes out to be, this will be 15 cos theta, this will be 15 sin theta, 15 cos theta, 15 sin theta. So if you see, the mass is given to us 0.15, final velocity is 15 cos theta in negative x direction according to my diagram, while 15 sin theta in negative j direction. Okay, that is final momentum of the system minus initial velocity. So initial velocity will be 15 cos theta I cap plus 15 sin theta minus j cap. So the impulse comes out to be 0.15 in bracket 15, 15, 15, 15. This 15 can be taken as common, so we can take 15 as common here, into 15 in bracket minus cos theta I cap minus sin theta j cap minus cos theta I cap minus minus plus sin theta j cap. There is no force in x direction actually. The only force exists in y direction, because action force is on the bat and reaction force is given by the bat. So only the component of this momentum will only change, that is x direction. This will not change. As you can see, 15 sin theta, 15 sin theta is same, so there is no change here. Directly also we can say that. Now I can write here the impulse is equal to 15 15s are 225, and decimal point after two digit, so it will be 2.25 in bracket. Minus cos theta will be twice of minus cos theta, direction, that is along x-axis I cap. So it will be minus 2.25 into 2 into cos theta. And how much is this theta? So the theta is nothing but 135 upon 2, because I and R are equal angle of incidence and reflection. So 2 6 are 12, 67.5. So it will be cos of 67.5. okay, so I can write j cap is equal to minus 2.25 into 2 into cos of, so I know very well I can write this as cos theta, cos 67.5. so sin 90 minus theta can be written as cos theta, so I can write sin 90 minus 67.5. so how much that comes out to be? 90 minus 67.5. so 10 minus 5 5, and then 9 minus 7 will be 2, and 9 over 7 minus 8 minus 6 will be 2, so that is 22.5. so the impulse comes out to be this only, minus 2.25 multiplied by 2. so 2.25 multiplied by 2 will be 4.5. We can solve this on your own. It will be cos of 67.5. That's the answer to this question. Thank you.